here. I normally do videos about organizing, but today I'm actually here with my Aunt Angela, and she is going to show us how to make homemade pasta. This is really exciting, and it's always been a mystery to us. So I'm gonna let Aunt Angela take it away.
Okay. I don't know the measurement.
Oh wait, okay, first, but we don't know what this is, but we're gonna need this, right?
This is pasta.
Okay.
I use a semolina
Semolina flour
and regular flour.
and regular flour, okay.
I don't know the measurement because I always do by heart. It depends on many people I have it.
Okay.
They can't remember.
Is that like a cup, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe? All right, so maybe it's like 2 cups of regular flour and then 1 cup of semolina flour. Okay. And how many people do you think you're making this for?
4 people.
4 people?
5 people.
4 or 5 people. Okay. So
It
it's
depends on how the appetites they have.
okay. 2 more
So-
cups of regular flour. So we're up to
I put a
4.
bunch of flour over here, whatever I need. I put a little bit on the side if I need it.
Okay. 5 cups of flour.
If I need more flour. Okay?
Mm-hmm. So it's always nice to do it on a flat surface. I guess marble.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marble is better.
Okay, so that's
1 egg.
1.
And then I put 1 egg. I used to put the red one
The yolk. So we have 1 full egg
and
1 yolk. Okay.
because I want the pasta to come more red.
Mm. We're using 4 eggs total?
Yeah.
Okay, so 4 eggs total, but only, or 3 total eggs and then 1 yolk.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 eggs, 1 yolk. Okay.
Little salt.
Mm-hmm. So, tablespoon of salt. Okay.
A little bit of oil.
Okay. Olive oil.
This is optional. You don't have to do it. But the salt, yeah.
The salt, yes. Okay. And then that looks like about
A spoon or 2 spoons.
2 spoons of oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now I start to mix.
Mm-hmm. And you're pulling in now a little bit of flour as you're doing this.
Yeah. This is plop, plop, plop. This is okay. Now I gotta use my hand.
So how long were you? That was only like a couple of minutes, right? You
Yeah,
just get
couple
it nice
of minutes.
and mixed.
Yeah. Now I start to put it together. It's too dry.
And about how much water did you add? Maybe just a 1/4 of a cup?
Yeah. Because I feel a little bit hard, but it's okay now. I'm gonna use the spatula now. I'm gonna clean everything. And the pasta is done, almost. It's nice and soft, see?
Okay, so you're saying it's almost done and that
I
you're...
gotta put the pasta to rest
Mm-hmm. How long do you make it rest for?
for 1 hour,
Okay.
and then we do.
And then we actually start cutting it up and making...
Yeah.
What type of pasta are we making today?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. Okay. But you also make the farfalle, right?
Yeah. Farfalle.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we can make a few of those just to see how they come out.
Yeah.
All right, so you've been kneading this dough for maybe just a couple of minutes,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
it hasn't been too long. This actually didn't take very long.
No.
And all this extra flour, do you need this for later, or are you
For
just
later,
leaving that?
because when a little flat,
Mm-hmm.
that once it gets sticky.
Okay. Well, that looks really cute, actually. So So we'll leave that off to the side.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna do this for a couple more minutes and make sure it's all nice and
All together, yeah.
all together.
I'm gonna rest for 10 minutes.
Okay.
For, you know, for 1 hour.
For 1 hour, and then we'll come back to it and
We
start.
come back and we finish.
Okay.
It looks good. Now I'm gonna make a little round thing. Gonna put a little flour. I'm gonna cover it up and let it rest for 1 hour.
Okay, so while we're letting the pasta rest for an hour, we're gonna start getting the machine together to actually make the pasta. And I'm gonna watch her set that up right now. Okay. Oh, I remember this from growing up. Oh my God. So where did you get this machine from?
Bed Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond? Okay.
Che facciamo? La cucina? Devo far cucinare qualche cosa?
No.
Io devo
That's
cucinare.
my Uncle Romeo. We're filming Uncle Romeo.
Uncle?
Zio, you're in the shot.
Vabbè, move.
Ma cosa si chiude qua? Non si chiude qua, guarda. Che cazzo fa? Vai,
She's
dove-
on the
Did you just curse in Italian? Will you?
Che c'è stato?
No, I'm gonna put this at
Vai fuori.
Why? Questo deve stare qua.
See, it's
No,
filming.
questa.
No, she's got this on the wide side first,
On
and then
the-
I pull it over.
Okay, so it's a wide setting.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that
Then-
attaches right to
I
that.
touch this,
Mhm.
this for the fettuccine.
Oh, okay, because at first you're gonna do the,
I'm gonna put a flour.
Mhm.
I'm gonna,
okay, and then this cuts it into the machine. Okay, so this is all set up. You said you had something else, Zia?
yeah, I'm gonna use this tool
Okay.
to put the pasta dry.
Oh,
This
and
way dry first.
so where did you get this from?
This that's a bit back.
Bed Bath & Beyond as well?
Yeah.
Okay. And how recently did you purchase this?
Oh, a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm wondering if
Maybe
they...
20 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Talk about making things that last. So all these go here?
Yeah, one at a time. When I finish one at a
Oh,
time.
you put another one. So, okay, so you just do one at a time. Okay, great.
Okay.
All right. So it's a pasta drying machine. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been an hour and we let the dough rest and now we're back. Okay, and so you're kneading the dough again.
And, yeah, just a couple more minutes.
Just a couple more minutes. That's my uncle in the background. Okay, so you're doing this for about a minute
Yeah.
and now you put it into,
Now I'm gonna use my spatula and I'm gonna cut it.
okay.
I'm gonna put a flour. I'm gonna make a little smooth because it's a little thick. And then I put on the wide side, and then I put the machine.
Okay, so you're putting it in and this is on the setting
Yeah,
number 7.
yeah.
Okay, so you're on the thickest setting to get it in there. And then you do it twice.
Yeah,
Okay.
always twice. Now I put smaller,
And
put a number 2.
okay, number 2. So it is really flattening out now.
Yeah.
Mhm. And so you went through setting number 7 twice, setting number 2 twice.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's starting to look really thin.
Then you can put a flour.
Okay, so a little,
Hey, you can leave it to dry a little more, but I don't have to because
you have,
I got the rack.
okay, so the
So I
drying
can-
rack.
It's the dry rack is good.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this, I'm gonna.
Put it back and get another one.
Okay. Look at me, I'm helping. Okay, oh wow. That looks really nice. And so these.
I'm gonna separate. No?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put it back.
It's very labor intensive.
No, if you like it, it's easy. I'm gonna put it to dry now.
And then you let them dry for how long?
A couple of hours.
Okay, so maybe we'll do a little ravioli then?
Yeah.
That's it. So we're gonna put chopped meat, 1 egg, cheese, garlic, parsley. Okay, so she's gonna get started on that. So we have chopped meat, we have 1 egg. We're putting in how much
cheese?
How much cheese do you think?
A little bit. Because
Quarter cup?
Yeah, not even.
Not even. Okay.
Maybe a couple spoons. Little salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm. And so this is fresh parsley that you use, that you have frozen.
Yeah, of course.
Smells good.
I should have put it out before, but I forgot.
Okay, so now you're mixing the eggs, the parsley, garlic, Parmesan cheese,
Yeah,
and the chopped meat.
yeah. I put a little bit breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Everything together.
So you're adding these, and this breadcrumb you make yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're making ravioli.
Cut this. And put on the top. I'm gonna wet. With a little water. And this is the ravioli.
Very nice.
And you can go with the fork. We make sure it's sticky. Okay. And these are the ravioli.
And when you let that dry for an hour or so?
Maybe more.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can put it in the refrigerator.
Okay.
You can do the day before.
So sometimes you can manipulate the pasta a little bit to stretch it out.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to use, if you don't have one of those things,
Yeah. You
you can, so this looks,
put this. And then with the fork. You seal with the fork. And this way when you cook, it doesn't open up.
I'm gonna wash my hands and now I'm gonna get to work. So I'm going to use this spatula to cut.
Yeah, this spatula.
Okay.
You cut it like that.
So I cut it and you say like do it an inch.
Inch and a quarter, doesn't matter.
It's-
It's perfect.
It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Yeah. We like that.
Yes.
Cutting these
Cut a mold and then you go.
on a roll now. Okay. Okay, so I'm squeezing with my fingers.
Not too much, don't make too much weight.
Oh, okay, so not too much water, just a little bit of
A
water.
little bit more.
And then,
On the side. Stick.
oh look, there's the bow ties. All right, so I'm doing a little bit of water.
It's easy, no?
Yeah.
Actually, it's fun.
It is fun. This is fun.
Yeah, because then you can do this, you can do the day before.
Mm-hmm. This is making me happy. And I look forward to eating later.
I'm gonna do the tomato first.
Okay, so you made the fettuccine. Now you're
Yeah.
putting in the farfalle.
Yeah.
How long did you cook? How long are you cooking the pasta for?
When it's fresh, 2-3 minutes.
So
The
it-
most of 5 minutes is too much. When
Okay.
It's fresh. If it's a couple of days old, then you go at least,
Mm-hmm.
you know, maybe a couple of days more.
Okay, so 2 to 3 minutes, definitely not over 5. And then you just place them in the water. Do you add salt to the water?
Yeah.
Okay. And then of course over here, we have the homemade sauce. That's gonna be for another day. Yum. We are here enjoying our labor of love that we did this morning. The fettuccine, which is amazing, and also the farfalle pasta, and the ravioli that we made today. It is amazing.
You didn't say you were enjoying it with the family.
Patty.
Yeah,
Can I
right.
take
Okay.
this sausage and try to get it into your mouth if you
No.
smile like that?
Oh, we
No,
got that on
Matt.
film.
Okay, we're gonna edit that out. Anyway, so me and my aunt made pasta. The family's all together. It's Sunday and we're eating. It's amazing.
You might want to retake that.
Thank you so much for showing me how to make homemade pasta.
You're welcome.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.
Me too. It was nice.